Hey guys, what is up? It's TTT trying to trade. Today we have a new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be talking about put credit spreads. So essentially, if you're tired of not having money to do covered calls, or you don't have enough money to do call options in general, this is a strategy you can do to slowly grow your account, even if it's small or large. It works. It's a solid strategy. So before we start, just remember you need to have option trading enabled and you need level 3 access. So when you start and you make your profile, it pretty much asks you a couple of questions. You have to make sure you're looking for growth. Um, you have a high risk tolerance. Just make sure you have those things in check in order to get access to options. When you get level 2, just make sure that you do a couple options or buy some stocks. You're gonna give it a couple, maybe like some days, a couple of weeks. When I started, it took me around 2 days, and my account was around 2 grand to get level 3 access. It asked me if I wanted level 3 access, and with level 3, it gives you the ability to buy calls and puts. Well, you had that in level 1. Selling covered calls, this is level 2. Selling cash covered puts, also level 2. And buying and selling spreads. That's what you want. The spreads and exercising options is very important. So we're focusing on the spreads. So if we go to SPY, the S&P 500 essentially, and we see that it's trading at $429. This is after hours, so there's no movement and the numbers don't change that much. We go to options. So right now we can see that this is the share price currently. We have the expiration date. So pretty much this strategy focus on using a minimum collateral in order to make some profit. So we can put the expiration date for August 19th. For this covered put strategy, make sure you're clicking sell put, nothing else. Make sure you have sell put first. So what this strategy focuses on is that right now SPY is trading at $429.72. I think that SPY won't fall below 425. So you would click the 425, you would sell a put here, and then switch it. It says short put. You don't want that. Just wait, and then you click buy. You buy a put right under the 425 strike, or not even the 425 strike, but under the sell put. So you click under it, and it says put credit spread. You have to make sure it says put credit spread. If it says anything else, it's not what you're doing. Something's wrong, you know, and it's not gonna do the same thing that is happening in this video. So make sure it says put credit spread. Robinhood tells you before it didn't, but now it does. Expiration August 19th. So before we start, we gotta make sure that you know that contracts are usually 100 shares, or pretty much every penny is around $1 because there are 100 shares in these contracts. So you clicked the 425 strike price to sell, and you bought a 424 strike price. Essentially, there's a dollar difference. If you multiply a dollar times 100, it's $100. So this put credit spread is going to cost us $100. Um, and essentially we would win we get this credit instantly. After we do it, we get $17 right off the bat. You can do anything you want. You can buy some Subways, some Chipotle, whatever you need, or you can just reinvest it. Essentially, what it means that if SPY stock doesn't fall below, if SPY by August 19th, which is Friday, ends at 427, you get your collateral back and you get the $17 because that's the credit. If SPY closes at 426, you still will get your $17 and $100 of collateral released. Even if SPY ends at 425 exactly, you would get your collateral back. Just make sure it's above the sell put you did, which would be 425. So you get $17. So that's a way to grow your account. This is very safe. If you have a long distance, for example, we have 429, 28, 27. We have almost $5 difference in like a 2 day, 3 days, because tomorrow's Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. So 3 days. In 3 days, you would make $17 instantly with this strategy. If we continue, we can see that our order says 100 shares, we would click, and then we continue review order. It says we need $100 worth of collateral. But yeah, this strategy is very simple. If you want to go riskier, you can just simply move the thing closer in terms of the sell put closer. So we can do 427, which is let's see, $3 difference in SPY in 3 days. So I believe SPY will be above this. We click on that, that's $27. So we can increase the total credit we get by the riskier we go, so pretty much closer to the share price currently. So yeah, this is a simple strategy. I'll make another video talking about call credit spreads. It's essentially the same thing but reverse. You think the stock is gonna go bullish instead of, no, actually it's the opposite. My bad, guys. So covered puts, or yeah, put credit spreads, my bad. It means that you're bullish on the stock. You think the stock is gonna go up instead of down. Call credit spreads is the opposite. You believe the stock is gonna go down, so you're limiting, or you're betting on a cap for the stock on the expiration date. So that's pretty much the video. Quick reminder: when you sell put, you have to make sure that your sell put is above your buy put. So you click a reasonable strike price, you buy put under it. Just remember the difference in strikes. If you do this, if you go $2 difference, you go to 428 and then you have 426, you'll get $59 as a credit. But just make sure, because now you need $200 with a collateral, because you went up one leg, or not one leg, $1 in the strike prices. So just make sure you know what you're doing. This is for people that their accounts are small and can't do covered calls. If not, I think covered calls is a better method because you keep something no matter what, the credit, the shares, or something. But yeah, this strategy would help you grow your account faster and consistently through the weeks if you pick solid strike prices. If you get $18 to $20 in 2 days, especially with SPY, you can grow your account pretty fast. You can do 2 of these or even 3 days a week. SPY has expiration dates every 3 or 2 days. So you could do a 22, a 24, and a 26 on the same day and make $60 if you win them all. So very consistent profit. That's pretty much the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you could subscribe, that would be awesome. We are at 92 subs. We are almost super close to 100 subs, and that'll be a milestone for me. But yeah, make sure to check out some other videos talking about covered calls and all that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.